We'll start this fun project with large brush and dark blue paint. First, we'll create a wavy outline closer to the bottom part of the artwork. Now we'll paint the half of the artwork above that line in dark blue. Now we'll dip our brush in light blue and we'll mix it with dark blue on paper or canvas. Then we'll continue painting the rest with light blue. Now we can wash our brush in water and wipe it with paper towel. We'll dip our brush in yellow paint and we'll create a new outline next to the blue part. Then we'll paint everything below. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush to paint Jellyfish. We'll create half a circle and then we'll paint it in. Then we'll create a wavy line under it. Next, we'll switch to a small brush to add tentacles. We'll create a couple wavy lines under Jellyfish. After cleaning your brush, you can dip it in pink paint to create another jellyfish. We're gonna repeat the same steps. We'll create half a circle, we'll paint it in, then we'll create another wavy line under the jellyfish, and we'll switch to a small brush to add tentacles. You can add second layer if the paint is too transparent. We'll switch to a small brush and dark green paint to create seaweed. We'll start by creating a couple wavy lines next to each other. Now we can start adding leaves on both sides of each plant. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush to create different kind of seaweed. We'll use light green paint and we'll create couple larger wavy lines. We'll switch to a smaller brush and orange paint to create another plant. This plant will look like a tree. We'll start with a large stem, then we'll add branches, and then we'll add smaller branches. After cleaning your small brush, you can dip it in white paint and create bubbles. We'll paint circles of different size in some parts of our artwork. Next, we'll use white paint to create a highlight for each jellyfish and some bubbles. Our final step will be to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.